then you will see the glory of the Lord. I am the resurrection and the life. He who believes in me will not die. Take away the stone, loose him and let him go. If you only believe, then you will see the glory of the Lord. I am the resurrection and the life. He who believes in me will not die. Take away the stone, loose him and let him go. If you only believe, then you will see the glory of the Lord. If you only believe, then you will see. If you only believe, then you will see. If you only believe, then you will see the glory of the glory of the Lord. See the glory is risen. The glory of the Lord is come. The glory the glory the glory of the Lord is risen.
At the very outset, I would like to express our sincere and heartfelt condolence to Dr. Rajan's family, especially to wife Mrs. Ansi Rajan and children Vineet and Shruti, and to all your family, friends, relatives, and all friends, all who love you very much. We also partake in the sorrow of the demise of our beloved Dr. K.M. Raj. We all know about him, his contributions, his love towards nation, his contribution to the society and to the church also. We all remember all the blessings and good things we have received through this personality. Though he was scientist known in the world, retired as director of ARDE, but still he was very humble and simple before us and very close to our heart, and it will remain the same forever. So we shall definitely pray for the eternal rest. We shall definitely pray to the Lord that our good Lord may grant eternal rest to the soul of Dr. Rajan. And dear Ansi teacher and Vineet and Shruti, You are also in our prayer. We assure our prayers that Lord Jesus may strengthen you to go ahead in your life, filling the vacuum created by your beloved Father Rajan sir. We all are shocked by this sad news about the demise of Dr. Rajan. It was never expected at this time. And also in this particular situation of this pandemic, many cannot come and attend the funeral service also. Therefore, we are with you spiritually. We will be there with you always in whatever help you want. We support you emotionally also. Now at this juncture, very critical juncture, we cannot come and comfort you, console you, but we shall always keep you and your family in our prayer. The Dapodi family is with you.
वर्ष आकाशवाणी पुणे एक अविस्मरणीय प्रवास.
Hello listeners, I am Dr. K.M. Rajan, Distinguished Scientist and Director of Armament Research and Development Establishment. See, years back, I remember my childhood days or even school days when the entertainment media was only radio. Actually, it has been a pleasant surprise for me when I heard I am the chief guest for today's function. I am very happy to be here among the in the midst of industry stalwarts, academicians, and dignitaries from various disciplines.
Excellency Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our former president and the former head of our DRDO family, Sri Saurav Kumar. This has been a very momentous occasion for me, primarily due to two reasons. The very first one is getting the opportunity to sit by the side of our beloved former President Dr. Abdul Kalam, not only as President but also as my ex-DRDO boss. Secondly, to share the occasion of this joyous moment with Valat Industries after the completion of 25 years of glorious service to the nation. Let me start with my the way I started getting into the whole things. Way back when I was studying in school, I think those were the days when SLV and SLV, lot of reports used to come in the newspaper, particularly Malayalam Manorama. I used to read about SLV launch and Dr. Abdul Kalam spending so many hours of dedicated service during day and night working on the system. I used to see his photos in the newspaper front page and lot of motivating experiences people have shared. Subsequently, when during the process of my engineering, I had an opportunity to visit Vikram Sarabhai Space Center, that is Tumba Equatorial Rocket Launch Station. That was in '84. I don't remember the month. that was part of a study tour. During that tour, I had an opportunity to witness the launch of the the sounding rocket. Particularly at the closing time of the day when the sun is setting in the west, and it was almost dark. There was nothing better than seeing the launch of a sounding rocket penetrating the night sky, and scientists sitting in the control room, seeing the trajectory, analyzing the telemetry data and all. It really excited me, and I thought I should get an opportunity sometime in future to work on rocket system. And that very experience has ignited the imagination in mind, as Dr. Kalam keeps telling, igniting the spirit and igniting your mind with imaginations and dreams. So that led me to reach DRDO. When I was in DRDO, I had the opportunity to interact with him. He may not be remembering. That was the time when he was the director of the DRDO laboratory, and he used to make many visits to ARD. We as young scientists used to sit for lunch in our mess. So we had a lot of respect for him. So we used to keep a distance from him and sit after leaving a gap. So he used to ask, "What, my young boys, why this gap? Is there a generation gap? Come closer." That is the way he used to bring us together, and that is the way he has been, not only in office as well as outside. He has been interacting with the people, and we have seen that over the years he has ignited the minds of many scientists, because of which